A suffix is something that goes at the end of the word. We add the suffix "esque" to mean like, or similar to, or resembling, or in the style of. We commonly say picturesque or statuesque. Picturesque means beautiful, like a picture. We can say, we visited a small picturesque village. That's such a picturesque view. Isaiah used the suffix esque. He said model-esque. Let's listen.
And my specialty is just pinpointing those exercises that help you to have that model-esque physique.
Isaiah said, my specialty is pinpointing those exact exercises that will help you have that model-esque physique. So model-esque would mean like a model, similar to a model. To learn a lot more expressions that native speakers use, watch the longer video on my YouTube channel.